My name's Beauty Mark Gabor. TB2 told me to come in the house. He said, hey, blizzard's coming. You need to get in the house. It's not safe out in that trunk. So I'm in the house. And I want to show you foodie fashion. This is foodie fashion. This is foodie fashion. You seeing it? I have the Sprite Winter Spiced Cranberry. It's a limited edition. This is probably some sort of winter edition, I imagine. So we'll find out what winter spice means. And then cranberry with the lemon lime Sprite. Seems like a natural combination. Alright, let's get into it. Guys, there is a serious storm coming. It's supposed to be a lot of snow. Hi Coco, don't be scared, honey. It's just the Sprite. That's Coco the ferret. She's the most beautiful ferret in the world. Okay. This isn't... oh boy. Oh boy. This is dangerous. Yeah, so it's been snowing off and on. So I told Mark, hey, let's get you out of that trunk and let's get you in the house. What you got going on over there, sweetheart? Oh yeah. There's a little spice there. Again, it's subtle, but I think that works for the Sprite. This is a pretty good soda pop. I'm going to go 4 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. If you happen to find yourself alone and depressed this Christmas, I know what you're going through. Not this particular Christmas, but past Christmases. I found myself alone, I found myself depressed, and it wasn't a great time. That won't be the case for me this year. Lizzie and I, we're going to stay in the house and we're going to get carry out. But the point I'm getting to is, if you do find yourself alone, and actually, you could be in a crowd of people and still feel alone. So what I'm saying is, if so, feel free to reach out, hit me up in my comment section, and I promise you I'll get back with you. So, feel free to do that. I'll check the comments of the channel all day. I'll be at home watching football. We're not cooking, so it's going to be a pretty relaxed afternoon. So, don't forget, let somebody know you love them. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Lizzie said no shoes on the couch. So I'm keeping them off the couch. This is how I'm doing it. You seeing that? Just the tip. Just the tip. Just the tip. Down to here. Down to here. Are they saying it? Well, what I've got here is the new limited winter edition 7-Up. It is a pomegranate flavored soda. On can? That sounds interesting. Now, with that being said, I don't have a lot of pomegranate in my life. I don't believe I've ever actually had the fruit pomegranate. I'm trying to think if I've ever had anything pomegranate flavored. It just doesn't come around me very often, so I'm curious what this might taste like. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so the flavor is subtle. It's subtle. It does seem true to the 7-Up flavor as well, with just that little extra, which is the pomegranate flavor. This is not a bad soda pop. Let me go one more. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm going to go 4 out of 10 flushes. Let's get another out. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Look at that. It matches. Look how that matches. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Reese's Big Cup Peanut Brittle. It's interesting. It's a peanut brittle flavored creme with crunchy peanut butter. It's got peanuts in it. Yeah, let's get into it. I have not had peanut brittle in a few years, so let's see if this is similar. It's extremely rich, which I don't mind. I know some people, they don't want stuff too rich. It's extremely rich. Pretty good though. It's not like hands down tastes like peanut brittle, but it's definitely close. I mean, I'd imagine it's as close as a Reese's peanut butter cup could get. It's pretty good. I think some people are going to really like this. I'm going to give it 4 out of 10 flushes. This is foodie fashion. This is how I do it. This is foodie fashion. This is how I do it. You seeing it? I want all 3. I want this. Just the tip. Just the tip. Stupid hair getting in my way. Just the tip. Well, everyone, we made it. We made it all the way to Mountain Dew absurdity. This is gingerbread snapped. And my, has Mountain Dew snapped. This is some sort of chimera they made in the lab. This is some sort of artificial gingerbread flavored, it says right here, gingerbread snapped dew with a blast of artificial gingerbread flavor. I think we're to a point now where we need to let Mountain Dew know, hey, it's okay to pump the brakes. It's okay to back off. Maybe we've gone too far. Look where we're at now. I feel like we're about a year out. Somewhere in a Mountain Dew think tank, they're going, I'm thinking we can do some stuffing, gravy, and turkey cranberry hybrid. And that's it. You know, that's the next step. Mountain Dew's going to come out with a lasagna soda pop. I mean, are we going there? Look where we're at now. I'm holding a gingerbread soda pop in my hand. Let's get into it. put a nose on it. Smells like gingerbread crap. Well, they've certainly hit their mark. That tastes like gingerbread, all right. Okay, so it's not repulsive. It's not amazing. It's interesting. It is interesting. You know, sometimes when you get that Yankee Candle, and obviously we're going to say gingerbread, you get that Yankee gingerbread candle and you're like, ooh, I could almost eat it. Well, in this situation, you could actually drink it. This tastes like a Yankee Candle gingerbread scent smells. So here you go. Two out of 10 flushes. Here, 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 there, there, there. It's foodie fashion. I do jewelry too. This is how I do it. There's a winter storm coming. Be safe. Be safe. Foodie fashion. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treat. Now, this was a favorite as a child. My mother would make these for us and we loved them. So this is going to be exciting to review. I haven't had a Rice Krispie Treat in a long time. Alright, let's get into it. Okay. They make these candy wrappers more and more difficult. You wouldn't think you'd child-proof a child's candy. There it is. Rice Krispie Treat. That is how I remember it. Yep. How about that? Rice Krispies. I'm going to give that 5 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them. Beauty Mark Gabor. This is Beauty Mark Couture, and I'm the gingerbread man. Hello everyone. I'm going to be reviewing Snowballs by M&M's. I've never heard of them. Apparently they're white chocolate and pretzels. like peanut M&Ms. I could see where a pretzel in an M&M would be good. I mean, I don't know how much of an impact it's going to be in that little piece, but maybe a handful can carry that pretzel flavor. I do like Reese's makes a couple products with the pretzel in it. I think they got a Cake 5, I think that's Reese's, yeah. And then they've got a peanut butter cup with pretzels in it. They're both good. I've got Lizzie Elizabeth in here. Say hello, Lizzie.
Hello.
And I've got Bing Bing in here. Hi, Bing Bing. You gonna say hello, sweetheart? Okay. That's a hello for her. All right, let's get into these. I've been trying to open these on camera, but I don't think it's going to happen. All right, there we go. Okay, for starters, I like the color. And they are snowballs as far as their little round. It's not your typical M&M shape. So a little larger, so yeah, I see where they're going to get the pretzel in there. Okay, wow. A lot different than I thought. I thought it'd be real dense with flavor and texture, but it seems real airy. Almost like it's slightly hollow. Well, like it's got that pretzel innard. This is an interesting snack. Lizzie, would you like to try some snowballs?
No, thank you.
No, thank you? Okay. Are you getting cold in here?
Yes.
I think the snow's picking up. Three out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them. Alright guys, the blizzard is here and it's really coming down now. What I'm about to review is the Canada Dry Vanilla Bean Ginger Ale. This is a bold flavor, it says here. This is part of their limited winter edition beverage. Shout out to all the Canadian subscribers out there. Alright, let's get into it. Well, now that is different. Definitely got a spice flavor there. Yeah, I get the vanilla. So I do sense a little bit of, so I guess that spice would be the ginger. I can't say that I have ginger ale very often. Rarely. It's been years. Let's get another drink. Three out of 10 flushes.